Now we will show how to reset the press of milk vending machine.
说原始价是多少？20、300。
The original price is 20 shillings for 300 liters milk. This is the points we have. 10 shillings. $5 shillings.
一直撸着吧。
And 5 shillings.
看一下。
So we insert 20 shillings in total.
我截止现在是4:07秒钟。
So now it's 4 pulses for 7 seconds dispensing. Now we put an empty bottle. And start. So when the machine doesn't dispense milk, or you need to adjust the press, so we need to reset the press. Now we will show how to operate. First, press the first button, which means menu. Twice. And the screen will show F2. And then press the fourth button, which means OK. And the below screen shows 4. 4 means 30 shillings.
调到6，30shillings，调30shillings500块钱，也就是到6。
Okay. So 30 shillings means 6 pulses. So now we need to adjust this into 6. And now press the second button, which means increase. When my colleague is pressing it constantly, and we can see the screen show the number is also increasing at the same time. Okay, so now we finish the setting. And this time, press OK. We can show it back to F2. And now press menu, the first button. It will revert to F3. So now we start to reset F3. Press OK. The F3 is 7 now. 这是多少毫升奶？7秒钟对应的是300。And now we need to adjust the 300 liters milk to 500 ml milk. And 500 ml milk equal to 12 seconds. So increase it. Press the second button. 8、9、9、10、11、12. Okay. And now press OK. We can see it's back to F3. And then press menu. We can see that it has converted to F4. So now we start to adjust F4. F4 should be the same as F3. Press OK. It's 7. So we should adjust it into 12. Increase it. And it's 12 now. Press OK. And it returned to F4, so we finish. Press menu. It's F5, and then keep pressing F menu, F6, F7. So it's back to the original screen. And now we finish the price setting. And now the price is 30 shillings for 500 ml milk. So let's try. 10 shillings. $20 shillings. And now the screen shows 6 and 12. 6 means 30 shillings, because 5 shillings equal to 1 pulse, and this is 6 pulses, so it's 30 shillings. And 12 means 12 seconds, and 1 second equal to about 43 ml milk, so 12 seconds equal to 500 ml milk. So let's try. This is an empty bottle. Press OK. And the dispensing is finished. And now we finish the reset of the press. Thank you.